Hi friends, now we have Intel Core i7 6th generation processor we have, and also we have Gigabyte H110 mAh motherboard and 16 GB RAM is there, and Intel fan is there. I will show you how to assemble the processor into board. This is the motherboard. In this board we get the back panel and two SATA cables, and this is the board. In this board there is a two PS2 ports is there, one for keyboard and one for mouse, and this is VGA cable. HDMI option is also is there, and four USB ports, two for 3.0 and two for 2.0, and LAN port and audio port, and two 1x slots is there here, and one PCI Express graphic card, DDR4 supporting two RAM slots, and USB 3.0 front panel is there. If you want you can use this, and this is the front panel, USB 1, USB 2. This is the front panel of power switch, restart switch, this is there, and this is the fan power. This is the 12 volts SMPS will be fixed for this. Now we are going to install the processor. First you remove the panel, sorry, cap, and this is the processor. While installing the processor, you need to check the arrow mark here. Here one arrow mark is there now here. This arrow mark, and in motherboard also there is one arrow mark is there. This both arrow marks should be reached. See, the both the arrow mark is connected back to back. Okay, and then fix this. That's it. And open the fan. And this is the RAM. That's it. Now we will connect the SMPS. Okay. Now the SMPS has been connected here. VGA cable and one keyboard. SMPS has been fixed. Now we will going to switch on the board. In the front panel, you need to short here. Yes, the board is working fine. Okay. Thank you.